Hello and welcome to this presentation introducing you to assistive technology. My name is Rachel Lowe and I am one of the Accessibility Advisors in the Accessibility Services Department at the University of Toronto, Mississauga. What is assistive technology? Assistive technology refers to the devices, software, and services that are used to increase, maintain, or improve the capabilities of a person with a disability. Any device or tool that helps people work around challenges to help them function better would be considered assistive technology. Throughout this presentation, I may refer to assistive technology as AT for short. Who can assistive technology benefit? In short, assistive technology can benefit everyone. The type of assistive technology one would need would depend on their disability. Assistive technology can help those who have difficulty speaking, typing, writing, remembering, seeing, paying attention, hearing, learning, walking, with their mental health, etc. Virtually anything that you might be struggling with as a result of your disability, there will be AT that can benefit you. AT is also not just limited to those with disabilities. Anyone who is struggling can benefit from AT. You just have to find the AT that works best for you. Here are some examples of assistive technology. Typically, when people hear the term assistive technology, they automatically think of technology because it is in the name. Though there is technology that is very helpful to students, there are also many no or low-tech options that are just as useful. Here I have listed some examples of different no-tech, low-tech, and high-tech options. This is just a sample and by no means an exhaustive list. I'll highlight what some of this AT can be used for. For no-tech, there are post-it notes in a planner, which can be used to help with organization and memory, pencil grips to help if you have trouble holding a pen and writing. Braille, a magnifier, and large print text can be used for those with vision difficulties, and a highlighter strip can help students focus when reading. For low-tech, a closed caption TV and digital magnifier can assist those with vision challenges. An audiobook can help those with vision, attention, or reading difficulties, and an FM system can assist students with hearing challenges. For high-tech, a computer or tablet are often the most widely used AT, as they are necessary to run a variety of different programs and apps that can help students with an array of disabilities. Word prediction software can benefit those with writing challenges, as it predicts words before someone is finished typing the word. And mind mapping software can help those who have trouble organizing their thoughts or generating ideas when writing. Many of these different options can benefit a wide range of disabilities. In these next slides, I'm going to highlight some of the most popular high-tech programs that our students use. If you would like to see a demo of these programs, we have posted them on this Quarkus page as well. The first software is called Kurzweil 3000 Firefly, and it is a text-to-speech software. The main function of this software is that it speaks text on the screen aloud, so you can upload a document and then the program will read the text aloud to you. That is the most basic function of the software, but there are many other tools within this software. For example, you can highlight the text, add sticky notes, magnify text, use the dictionary, make notes from the document, etc. There's also a writing function that has mind mapping, outlining, and word prediction features. This software is useful for a wide range of learners, including those with learning disabilities, especially those that impact reading ability. Head injuries that require limited reading, low vision, mobility issues that affect someone's ability to manipulate a physical book, and those with stronger auditory processing skills. The next software that I'm going to highlight is Dragon, which is a speech-to-text software. This software allows students to enter text and commands using their voice instead of a keyboard and mouse. Essentially, one would train the software to recognize their voice and speech patterns. Then you would use the software to speak and it would type what you were speaking onto the screen. This software is useful for students with mobility issues who cannot use the keyboard and/or mouse. It is also useful for students with learning disabilities who have stronger verbal skills. Any disability that impairs a student's written expression could benefit from this software. Sonos and Audio Notetaker is a note-taking software that allows students to audio record lectures while at the same time as typing their notes. What makes this software more useful than just recording a lecture is that it allows the audio to be broken up into sections. For example, you can upload your professor's PowerPoint presentation and then take notes beside each slide while also recording the audio for that slide. So if you're missing notes from one particular slide, then you can go back and just replay the audio for that slide. You can also color code the audio notes. So for example, you could use red to signify important information and green to signify information to review. This software is useful for any student who has difficulty taking notes in class. Some examples of students that may struggle with note-taking are those with learning disabilities, ADHD, mental health concerns, mobility issues, concussions, etc. ZoomText is a magnification and screen reading program which is used by students with visual impairments, typically those with some vision who would benefit from enlarged text. It allows the student to enlarge the text so that they can see the text better. It also reads aloud most functions that are accessed through a mouse or keyboard. Whereas a text-to-speech program will just read uploaded text aloud, a screen reader can read other information on a computer screen, for example, emails, menu bars, and menu lists. The last software that I'm going to discuss is called Job Action with Speech, but more commonly known as JAWS. Like ZoomText, JAWS is a screen reader, but is primarily used by students who are blind. Not only does it read aloud everything on the computer screen, but it also has functionality for Braille output. JAWS allows users to navigate without the use of a mouse. The software I've highlighted are just a few of the many different assistive technologies that students can access. If you would like to discuss different AT options that might assist you, please schedule an appointment with your accessibility advisor so they can discuss options with you. To schedule an appointment with your advisor, you can call our main office at 905-569-4699 or email them at access.utm@utoronto.ca. Thank you for taking time to view this presentation.